In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Airmail to Todoist, so the emails that need action turn into real tasks right from your inbox. It takes about a minute, and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Airmail, then click it to open its page. Airmail is a fast email client for Mac and iPhone, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign in and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only grants Airmail permission to send the tasks you create from your messages. Once it's linked, your inbox stops doubling as a forgotten to-do list. Inside Airmail, you can take any email and send it straight to Todoist as a task, with a link back to the original message. The reply you owe someone lands on your list instead of slipping down the inbox and out of sight. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your email and your tasks finally stay on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.